Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy, and we're the Thrive Life Sisters. And today we're going to be talking about onions and what you could do with it.
Onions. So there's some benefits to onions, of course in our food because we use it all the time, but there's also some medical benefits to it too. So when this is something that I've done and that's really useful, and if you take the onion and you cut the onion, there's juice that comes out of the onion. Now this one's pretty dry, but if you take the juice out of the onion, okay, this is
okay. The reason why we're doing this is because we're of ear infections. I know that my son had an ear infection. He was crying really bad. It was really painful, and it was in the middle of the night, so we were trying to figure it out. And onion juice is actually really good for pain in the ear and ear infections and any type of ear pain. So we've used this and it's really effective. So a little bit of the onion juice, then I put a little bit of, and this is just something we do, okay? A little bit of oil, and it's olive oil that we use. And then I take a match, put it underneath. So I put it underneath, heat it up just a slight bit because you want it nice and warm when it's going inside the ear. Then I take a syringe, I suction that up and then drop it in the ear and hold their head down while they're doing that. And that actually helps, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. It's amazing. The next day that ear infection is gone and it kind of cured it. Well, with my son, it stopped the pain right away and he stopped crying and complaining about it. So I didn't have a syringe, so I just took it, mixed it up, and then poured it into his ear, and it was really good. I've also done it where I've taken the onion and then I just chop it up into little bits and put a little bit of water and just steam it a little bit in a microwave, or you could steam it and then squeeze the juices out of it that way too. I've done it that way and it worked good.
Yeah, so that's just one thing that we've done with the onion. There's just so many more, but that's just
we thought we'd share.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll help you too. And remember,
you can do it too.